Welcome to AiDoc. The human heart is a masterpiece of biological engineering, beating over 3 billion times in a lifetime. Roughly the size of your clenched fist, this powerhouse weighs only about 300 grams, but drives every system in your body. Nestled within the mediastinum, protected by the ribcage, it sits slightly left of the center of your chest. It is encased in the pericardium, a double-walled sac that reduces friction and anchors the heart in place. Our journey begins in the right atrium, which receives deoxygenated blood from the superior and inferior vena cava. The tricuspid valve opens, allowing blood to descend into the right ventricle, the first of two main pumping chambers. From here, the pulmonary valve directs blood into the pulmonary artery, heading toward the lungs for vital gas exchange. Now oxygenated, the blood returns to the left atrium, ready for its journey through the high-pressure systemic circuit. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber, thick-walled and powerful, built to propel blood through the entire body. With a massive contraction, blood is forced into the aorta, the body's largest artery supplying every organ and limb. But how does it know when to beat? The answer lies in a tiny patch of tissue called the sinoatrial, or SA node, acting as a natural pacemaker. The SA node generates electrical impulses that trigger rhythmic muscle contractions. The signal pauses briefly at the AV node, a critical delay that ensures the atria finish emptying before the ventricles contract. Finally, the impulse races down the Purkinje fibers, causing the ventricles to contract from the bottom up. We see this electrical dance as the familiar peaks and valleys of an electrocardiogram, or ECG, under the microscope. Cardiac muscle cells are branched and interconnected, allowing them to contract as a single unit. Even the heart needs its own fuel. The coronary arteries branch off the aorta to supply the myocardium with oxygen. When these vital vessels are blocked, the results can be catastrophic. Let's look at coronary artery disease. Over years, plaque buildup restricts blood flow, a process known as atherosclerosis, starving the heart of oxygen. A complete blockage leads to a myocardial infarction or heart attack, where cardiac tissue begins to die within minutes. Chronic high blood pressure or previous damage can lead to heart failure, where the heart can no longer pump effectively. Arrhythmias occur when the electrical system malfunctions, causing the heart to beat too fast, too slow, or erratically. Valvular heart disease involves valves that don't open or close properly, putting immense strain on the chambers. Modern medicine offers incredible tools for diagnosis. From non-invasive scans to high-tech procedures, echocardiography uses sound waves to create live images of the heart's valves and muscle in motion. Cardiac catheterization allows doctors to look inside the arteries and even clear blockages in real time. Advanced MRI scans provide crystal-clear views of the heart structure and any scarring or damage, but prevention remains the best medicine. Regular cardiovascular exercise strengthens the heart muscle. A diet rich in omega-3s, fiber, and low in processed fats keeps the arteries clear and flexible. Stress management and adequate sleep are also vital, as chronic cortisol can damage the delicate cardiovascular lining. When surgery is needed, we've moved from open heart procedures to minimally invasive, robotic-assisted techniques. Robotic systems allow for smaller incisions, less pain, and significantly faster recovery times for patients. Stent placement has become a routine, life-saving procedure that restores blood flow in minutes. The future of heart health lies in AI-driven diagnostics, predicting issues before they even manifest. Scientists are even working on regenerative therapies, using stem cells to repair heart muscle after a heart attack. Your heart is your life's motor. Respect it, protect it, and keep it beating strong. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to AiDoc for more deep dives into the human body. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next episode.